So we've gotten quite a few questions on how to convert our tie button or tie clicker pin from the standard bent clip to the machined clip. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. It's really simple. We've got a pin here that we've already taken the ink cartridge out of. We've already loosened the mechanism with a pair of our custom pliers. So we're just going to unscrew this until the clip will come out. It just snaps into that groove. This is the clip adapter that goes in the place of the clip. You hear it snap in, line that guy up, screw the mechanism down, snug it up with your pliers. The pliers that we sell have a recess in them to allow clearance for that adapter. So you want to slide your pliers down until it's just down to the pin body, about right there. Squeeze the pliers, snug it up. That is how you tighten that down. The next thing you want to do is take the actual clip itself. Some of them are machined, some of them are plain like this one. Set it down on the adapter. Take your screw. Well, this is really hard to do when you're watching it in a camera. Put the screw in. I like to get both screws started before I tighten either one of them down, just to make sure everything's lined up real good. And the important thing is not to over torque these screws. Just snug it down is all you got to do. And then once you put your ink cartridge back in, your spring and tip, that is the completed look with the machine clip. Thanks for watching.